Hold on to your hat, we're about to dive into the world of colossal forestry machinery. Imagine the thunderous roar of chainsaws to the mesmerizing sight of wood being peeled away like the skin of a fruit. What are you waiting for? Let's dive in. These cedar trees are true giants, but today they've met their match. With unmatched skill and precision, this expert turns a massive challenge into a flawless performance. You won't believe your eyes when these towering trees finally crash to the ground. I wonder if he thought about the gas tank if it exploded. This was bold but also stupid. Luckily, everything was fine. Goodness. This chainsaw, armed with a massive 150 centimeter blade, is built to tackle the toughest timber. Whether you're felling giant trees or slicing through thick logs, this beast doesn't back down. Who's ready to see it in action? Navigating through muddy, treacherous terrain, the skilled operator of the log set 6 proves that wet conditions are no match for precision and expertise. So this is why it's the king of logging in the wild. So this is why we need to remove dying trees and dead trees. Get ready for some jaw-dropping action with the Chai 1075C. And this beast of a machine is one of the biggest forwarders out there, and it's about to show you why. Watch as it powers through the forest, dominating the landscape like no other. Check out massive logs are expertly cut into slices with every pass of the blade showcasing pure craftsmanship. The sound of sawing, the smell of fresh wood, it's a sight you won't want to miss. So watch this guy tackle an uprooted tree with ease. This chainsaw makes quick work of the tangled roots and heavy trunk, cutting through the wood like butter. This innovative machine combines the functionality of an auger and a splitter, making it a powerful tool for processing firewood. With its unique design, it efficiently bores into logs and splits them apart, streamlining the wood preparation process. Watch as creativity takes center stage when a logger splits two trees in half using a third tree as leverage. So this ingenious technique showcases skill and improvisation, turning a tough job into an impressive spectacle. Meet the Timber Pro 830B. This versatile machine boasts a powerful 170 horsepower engine and can tackle any terrain with ease. Equipped with advanced features, it's designed for efficiency, ensuring swift tree removal. Are you ready to elevate your woodworking skills? Let's come to the STEL 1530 Snake Wood Turning Lathe, perfect for wood arts and crafts enthusiasts. With a 1.5 kilowatt motor and a spacious 30-inch workspace, it effortlessly carves intricate designs. The Mac R600, a powerful workhorse, rolls out of Honduras loaded with logs and renowned for durability and reliability. This truck combines strength and efficiency, embodying the spirit of logging. What challenges await on its rugged journey? The historic DeWalt sawmill in Germany is back in action, so this remarkable facility showcases traditional craftsmanship combined with modern techniques, turning timber into high-quality lumber. Let's see how the sawmill works. End of video. If you like this video, please leave a comment with number 1. If not, please let me know by number 2. Thank you for watching.